Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create Google Play Store account in 2025. So if you just got a new phone, in this video, I'll show you step by step on how you can create a Google Play Store account from making a new Gmail to opening Play Store for the first time. So why you need a Google Play account? A Google Play account is your key to downloading apps, games, books, and movies on Android. And without it, your Play Store won't work. So let's set it up the right way. So first you can create a new Gmail account. You can open your phone settings and find Google, this one, and choose the options to add account. Okay, here tap on create account and choose for my personal use, and you can just fill in your name in here and enter your birthday, and next you can choose a unique Gmail address and create a strong password. You can also use suggestions from Google if you want to. Here I'm going to just write like this. Let's try click on next. Okay, so it's already taken. So I'm going to just, let's say, use this one in here. Click on next again and create the password. So after you create the password, you can add a phone number if you want to, or you can also skip this part. Click on next again. Click on I agree. Just wait for a few seconds. So after the account is created, you can just open the Google Play Store app, and then if it's asked for account, you can select the Gmail that you've just made, and the Play Store will connect automatically and load the home screen. So from here, you can just browse trending apps or search directly. And if you plan to make purchases, you can go to your profile, payments, and subscriptions, and you can add a payment method. And that's it. Your Google Play Store account is ready. Now you can download apps and games on your new phone. So hit like if this helped and subscribe, and also click on the thanks for more tech and how to's. See you next time. Bye.